so today's video is going to be a Stoney Clover lane haul. They recently collabed with Target and everyone has been going crazy over this collab. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, straight to Target because there's a Target literally a minute away from my apartment. So I went and I got 3 things and then I had to order a pair of sandals that I wanted online. Either way, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna show the ice cream molds first because there's actually ice cream in here and I need to put them back in my freezer. But it is this smiley face and this little flower. This is so cute. They are so cute. I literally cannot wait to take pictures with these for summer. Like, tell me that's not the cutest thing ever. This is literally gonna be a thumbnail. So cute. I literally made these the night that I bought this. So the next thing that I got was the little rainbow bag, and I just love this. I love the glitter, and then it says Stoney Clover Lane right here engraved, and then it comes with this little gold chain, and the inside can fit quite a bit of stuff, and then it has like the little Stoney Clover Lane thing right there. I love it. I know this is probably not for everyone, but when I saw it I was like, I need it. It's so cute. So next I had to order these online because my Target literally sold out the second that I got there. And so it is the heart sandals. Oh my god, literally I would buy these 50 million times again. They are so adorable and they were only $30. Like, I don't know, to me that's not a lot for sandals that have hearts on them and they're bright pink. So the inside is kind of fuzzy and then it has these little straps on the back just to keep your foot secure, which I really appreciate because a lot of the time when I'm wearing sandals, my feet slip out, or if you're at a pool or something, your feet can slip out and it's just not cute. So I really appreciate that. These are so cute. And then the last pair that I got were these heart tie-dye sandals as well. At first, not gonna lie, I saw these and I was like, I don't know. I probably won't get them. Sorry, the lighting is horrible. I was like, I probably won't get them. And then I put them on and I was like, are you kidding me? These are the cutest fucking things ever. So I got them. I've been wearing them like crazy for the past couple of days, waiting for the pink ones to get here. 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend. I really wanted to get the little like ping pong set because I wanted to take pictures with them this summer, but it was like $30. Actually, no, I think it was like 40. And I was like, I don't know. That just seems like a lot for those little paddles. So I was like, I'll probably DIY them, who knows? Unless someone wants to send them to me, then that'd be great. So that was everything that I got. I wanna say it was like $50 for everything. That's not including the pink shoes because I bought those separately. So probably around $90, which is kind of a lot now that I'm thinking about it. But the other sandals were only $10 and I was like, that's actually not that bad. So I just have a shopping addiction and that's how I cope with saying that it's okay. So just ignore that. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for watching.